Hi, I'm corporate magician Danny Orleans. Normally you'd find me at the NADA show at the DealerPRO booth. That's where I combine my magic with the DealerPRO message to attract crowds. But right now, the folks at DealerPRO are helping auto dealers prepare for a post-pandemic world. We're training remotely, so service and parts departments can master new processes for the new normal. We're helping dealers in many ways. Increase their repair order count with updated scripts, improving their phone skills. And we're helping auto dealers increase appointments and traffic. And we're helping them with a customer touch-free experience by revising dealers' sales processes for pickup and delivery. During this quarantine period, we may be apart, but we are in this together. Working together, we are 100% there for you. So remember, stay safe. We are all going to get through this together.